Hello and welcome to Hygiene Wednesdays. I'm Christina, the lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care. Last week we discussed some topics about flossing techniques, the best way to floss in the mouth, the best utensil or instrument to use to help floss those lingual retainers that so many of us have and are a pain to keep clean, and also the benefits of sealants. This week we had some questions emailed to us about electric toothbrushes and whether they are actually beneficial and better than actual manual toothbrushes. So we have our manual toothbrush and it's nice, it does a good job, and the way we teach to brush is to do the rolling technique to help roll the bacteria up off of the tooth, which is awesome. However, you can only brush so many times and do so many strokes with a manual toothbrush. This is where the electric toothbrush comes in handy. There are different types, and any electric toothbrush is going to be more beneficial to you as a patient above the manual because it just does more strokes than what you are capable of doing as a human being. But we prefer Sonicares here at the office just because of the stroke that they do. Normal electric toothbrushes do a circular motion, and the Sonicare does the rolling motion that we teach you and when you come to visit us. So we definitely recommend Sonicare because of that, because it helps get that area clean, get the bacteria brushed up out of the gums. A couple of other things that are beneficial and you should look for in an electric toothbrush are there are sensors in the head. So if you turn it on and you push too hard, it's telling you that you're putting too much pressure along the gums and the teeth, which is a very, very good tool to have, because sometimes we cause recession along the gums because we're pushing too hard when we're brushing. So this is a very nice tool to have on your toothbrush. Another thing that we have are different pressures. You can do light, you can do medium, you can do really high. This helps. It just depends on how sensitive your teeth are. You can change it. If you're really sensitive, you can do the light. If you're not sensitive at all, you can do the higher pressure. It'll help get the suds and all the toothpaste in between the teeth to help really give you a nice clean feeling. And another benefit to the Sonicares that we have are that they have different settings. So you have a clean setting, which has a timer, and that's about 2 minutes. So the clean setting is going to run for 2 minutes, and then as soon as it's done, it's going to shut off. We have white setting, which is 2.5 minutes. It's just a little longer. You're brushing a little longer, which will help get rid of the stains that you have on your tooth surface. And then there's also gum care, which is 3 minutes, and that just helps really make sure you're getting in there and getting all the areas cleaned and just taking a little extra time to make sure all the areas even back on the inside are taken care of and cleaned. Thank you for joining us today. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or want me to answer any, ideas or suggestions or questions you may have, feel free to email or call the office and we will address them next week. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next Wednesday. Hi, I'm Christina, lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care. I just wanted to give you all a reminder of the awesome giveaway that we're doing this quarter for our patients. It's called Fly Away With Us in 2017, Escape the Cold, which right now doesn't really make a difference because it's 60 degrees, of course, in Ohio. But later on it'll be snowy and cold and you'll want to get out of here. So what we're doing is for every patient that you refer to our office, we'll put your name in a drawing a certain amount of times for every patient that you refer. And then at the end of March, we're going to draw a name, and that lucky person will get a $750 voucher to Southwestern to fly anywhere outside of Ohio, which I personally would love. So go ahead, refer friends, family, anyone you can think of, and tell them how much you like us and get your name in that drawing, and hopefully you can win.